Hey, what's up?
Good morning.
What's your name? Where you're from?
Hunter Higgins, Cheyenne, Wyoming. Born and raised. This is Warb, 2-year-old German wirehair.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Dylan Pearson, Cheyenne, Wyoming.
How about your dog?
A 6-year-old yellow lab named Lincoln.
Give me some next.
Thank you.
Oh, Hunter?
Find it. Chuck? Dead bird, find it.
Yep, Hunter got 3.
4.
Four. And a pretty good covey of maybe 15.
4. Or sharpshooter, shooting 4 out of a covey ride. 15.
So, a lot of miles.
Dude, I don't like anything of where we found that cubby at in your bird. Crazy. Super low numbers at Phyllis.
Yeah.
They had a couple decent points. We go in there and there was just nothing.
We can drive down a little bit. This 2 years ago, I hunted that when it was pretty good, but that was when there was snow.